And this is on Lone Pine Road. This house was built in the 20s and is approximately 7,000 square feet. Even the entrance stanchions, I guess you could call them, have slate on them. Check that out.
I'm a different breed, and you can't even.
Wow. Check out this entranceway. Look at the thickness of this door.
Who are these people? Huh?
Wow. I'm going to put all these together so you can kind of see what this is like. This is unreal, this place. It's like a fairy tale house. Just absolutely beautiful. That's why I don't want it. Look at this. Look at that roof. Can you see it? Oh my goodness. That roof probably weighs as much as our whole house. Wow. What can I say? I don't know if anyone's ever going to watch this, but I think it's cool to keep it. Look at this thing. Let's see. Entrance again. That's the main entrance again, in case you didn't hear me. Look at this. That's limestone. This is the inside of the house. Unreal. Look at this. Isn't that something? Wow. This is obviously one of the main sitting areas. I don't know if I'd call it a dining room, but it's beautiful. Okay, this is the basement. It's amazing because as old as it is, it's in amazing shape. And I gotta tell you, it does not smell. You know how so often, especially in an old house, a house will really smell? Not here. Look at these. Remember those? Yeah, there you go. Cranbrook School. That would be a lovely place to go to school, wouldn't it? Look at this. Glorious. So cool. Look at the TVs. Would you care for a TV? Okay, gotta go. Gotta look at the books. Okay, a little more in the kitchen now. Finished downstairs, which was crazy and huge. And like I say, it didn't smell at all. Service kitchen or butler's pantry. Gorgeous. This place is unreal. Cabinetry is beautiful. I think it's kind of old, but in great shape. The dining room. All the major rooms have beautiful fireplaces. Can you imagine? This place was built when you actually needed one of those in your dining room. All right, we gotta go upstairs. Okay, we're gonna head upstairs now. Like, everything is just so beautifully preserved in this home. Nobody painted the wood or anything crazy like that. It's absolutely stunning. Alright. Look at the floors. Original, beautiful floors from the 20s. I'm guessing. But they certainly seem to be. I don't know. Do you think maybe someone refurbished it at some point? It's beautiful.
Strong at first.
All right, let's go upstairs.
You can see everything? What? No.
Look at this sitting room. Look at the leaded glass off the bedroom. And I guess the thing to remember is no matter how much you have, we all end up in the same spot. I'm guessing this is the master. Wait till I show you the view out their window. I'm telling you, it's like a fairy tale in here. A beautiful fireplace that's been preserved. No one covered it in. Beautiful bed. Yet another area in the upper level. Looks like it at one point must have been some type of nursery area. Oh, upstairs laundry. How awesome is that? You know you've made it when you have laundry on your second floor. Not just laundry, but really nice laundry. Look at the linens room. Look at this beautiful place. They obviously liked music. Everything here has such a lovely feel to it. Ooh, can you see? That's the roof of the garage. Look at that, real slate. Isn't that amazing? I don't know. Like I say, maybe no one will watch this, but I think it's cool. Fun view. Okay, there's another stairway we get to go down. Show you this cool feature. Look at this. It's a safe room. Who knew? I bet you this house has secret passages somewhere. Oh, look at these guys. How much do you love these coat hooks? That's so fun. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful this is. Okay, I can't possibly capture it all. That's most of it. Let's go outside to the garage and finish up the fairy tale house. Look at this. Okay. My Ken is ready to go, but I bet you it's beautiful at night. I bet this all lights up just beautifully.
Oh no, I want to put more things in my pocket.
Okay. Parting video. I hope when I put this together you get at least some of the sense of just what a spectacular place this is. Pine Road, West Bloomfield.